Hi, I'm Bill Ritchie, and I'm working on a card game, and it uses collectible artist trading cards, and each card has one of the pieces of this plastic press. That's a 3D printed press designed by Martin Schneider in Cologne. And when I got mine for my birthday last year, I was excited to see how that etching press could be the heart of a game, an online game, a universal game played around the world for people who have 3D printers or can use a 3D printing service, as I did, and collect the parts to the card, to the press. Collect the parts to the press on each of these cards. And each card has a certain value, like this is 88 cents, it's the pressure screw. And this one is the side piece connector, which is one of these parts up here. It's $1.30 to have it printed on a 3D printer. So I'm working on this card, but you know, the fact is I don't know much about games and I don't play cards. So if anyone is out there in the world that wants to get involved, maybe collaborate on finding out how to play this game and to make it a game that can be played online, to create a kind of a network of people that love prints and printmaking and printmakers. So I'd love it if you got in touch with me and help me figure out how to design a card game for the Martin Schneider plastic press. Thank you for watching.